certainly is. The fish of your life. Here it comes.
It is a bull too.
Yes, it is.
See,
Come on. Jump for us. Jump for us. He's swimming along with the boat.
That makes it hard because he's broadside. Makes it really hard.
Yep, that's all right. You stay with it. Keep tight.
We're gonna find it.
You should go the other way.
Here comes the leader. Here comes the leader. Here comes the leader. All right. Touch leader. Caught fish.
Yep.
All right. Come on.
Come here, frente. Wheel, my front wheel. There. Come out there.
Here it comes. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Keep with it, hon. Keep with it. Just do it.
Come out of my belt.
Just do it. Just do it. Right. It's right here. It's right here.
I know.
It's right here. Oh my God.
No, it's so loose.
Don't worry about it. Just reel. Just do what you got to do.
There's a GoPro in the water.
I got it. Jim's fish of his life. Yes! 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 Oh my God!
Come on, friend! Thank you. That's with you. That's with you, buddy.
Oh my God! Oh, we're still rolling. Yes, we are. Oh my God!
How about that?
Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, fish. Oh my goodness gracious. Yes, we're going to keep this rolling. We're going to get a photo of this. Oh my God.
These are at least, what do you think, 35?
Easy, maybe 40.
Maybe 40?
Yeah.
40 pounds?
Oh my goodness gracious.
How am I going to hold that up for a picture?
You are going to hold that up. Give me your hat. Give me your hat. Or are you going to hold on to it? You're going to put it on. What do you want to do? Where's your stick? Where's the stick? Bang, bang. Where's your, Antonio? Pop, pop, pop. On the cabeza. Pop, pop, pop. On the cabeza. How can I help? Give me something to hold. Pop, pop, pop. Oh, piss it. Okay. That's it. Yes. Damn right.
Yes, Captain, I'm telling you.
Oh my God. Jim has waited all his life for this.
Yes.
You translate that to Espanol. Tell him, Jim has waited all his life for this.
For a fish this big.
For a dolphin this big.
Yeah.
Tell him in Espanol, please.
What?
Jim has waited all his life for this.
For a dolphin this big.
For this fish right here.
El primero, el grande.
Oh my God. Oh!
Still alive. Good luck. You're going to have to help me.
Yeah, Antonio, get in the picture. Oh, you're going to get your own picture. Okay, here you go.
Whoa!
Hold on to it. Oh, hold on to it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab hold of it and hug it, Jim. Hug it. Hug it. Yes. Hug it. Yes, hug it. Is this still rolling? This is still rolling. yes, yes.
Don't lose your teeth.
Yes. Oh my God, yes. All right. Oh my God, yes, yes, yes. I take it. Yes, yes,
Very good.
yes. Okay, Antonio, I need a picture of you in the
There you go.
picture
Thank
too. No,
you.